Good morning, students. So in the last lecture, we discussed about alkenes and alkynes, saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Also, we have seen the homologous series of alkenes. Now we will talk about alkyne members. So, like in case of alkane, the first member was methane, CH4. Second member was ethane, C2H6. Third member was propane, C3H8. Fourth was butane, C4H10. Fifth was pentane, C5H10, and hexane, heptane, octane, nonane. Same way, in alkane series also we have homologous series of alkene. But first member of alkene is not methane. So what we're going to start. Just you don't have to memorize. Just look over here. Alkene means carbon double bond between two carbons. तभी उसे हम कहेंगे alkenes. डबल बॉन्ड किसके बीच में होना चाहिए? दो कार्बन के बीच में होना चाहिए, तभी उसे हम कहेंगे alkene. So carbon double bond is alkene. Now just satisfy the valency. How many valences are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why I am keeping H? As I told you that as we are studying hydrocarbons, so we have to satisfy the valence with hydrogen, because hydrocarbon means compound containing carbon and hydrogen only. Now this is structural formula. ये क्या है? Structural formula है. Structural formula. Now we will condense it. Okay, condense formula क्या होगा इसकी? Condense formula CH2 double bond CH2, and chemical formula क्या होगी? Chemical formula और molecule formula C2H4. Okay, let me write C2H4. What is the name of this compound? So how to name this compound? So according to IUPAC, the root word क्या है? दो कार्बन का, as there are two carbons, root word is eth. And एक भी बार डबल बॉन्ड आ गया है ना, यहाँ पे सिंगल बॉन्ड है, बट कार्बन के बीच में डबल बॉन्ड है, so it is ene, because we know that double bond means ene. Okay, मीथेन पॉसिबल, यहाँ पे मीथेन था, यहाँ पे मीथेन नहीं आएगा. Okay, there is no such methane. मीथेन पॉसिबल क्यों नहीं है? Because methane means one carbon and ene means double bond between two carbons. Meth means एक कार्बन, और इन का मीनिंग क्या होता है? इन means कार्बन double bond. So अगर एक कार्बन होगा तो उसे हम मीथ कहेंगे, बट कार्बन double bond होगी तो उसे हम कहेंगे ene. So there is no methane in case of alkene. Okay, so the first member of alkane series is ethene. Okay, let's move on to third member or second member. So this is ethene. First member is ethene. alkene का फर्स्ट मेंबर का नाम क्या है? ethene, and formula is C2H4. C2H4. Chemical formula or molecular formula is C2H4. Same way, second member यहाँ आएगा propene. So we have three carbons but double bond, or we can take double bond in this way. There are two possibilities. So how many valences are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll keep it here H, 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 H. Double bond you can take either on this side or on this side. Both are same. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So H, 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 H. What is this? It is actually propene. C, H, 2 double bond CH, CH3, or you can write CH3, CH double bond CH2. Okay, both are same, and this, what is the formula? C3, oh sorry, C3H6, C3H6. This is known as propene. इसे हम कहेंगे propene. And then we have butene. Okay, third is butene. So first is ethene, second is propane, third is butene, fourth is pentene, and so on. Then we have numbering also, which we are going to learn in the later part of the chapter in nomenclature, also in IUPAC, how numbering comes like 1 butene, 2 butene. But understand that first member is methane in case of alkane, and first member of alkane is ethene, not methane. So यहाँ पे सीरीज चेंज होएगी. यहाँ पे सेकंड में इथेन आ रहा है, यहाँ पे फर्स्ट पे प्रोपेन, यहाँ पे थर्ड पे है, यहाँ पे प्रोपीन थर्ड पे, बट कार्बन तीन ही रहेंगे. ओके, दो इट इज द सेकंड मेंबर, but prop always means 3 carbons, eth means 2 carbons, but means 4 carbon, pen means 5 carbon. Okay, but in case of the homologous series, this is the fourth member because there is no methane. And same for alkynes. In case of alkynes, it means triple bond. Carbon carbon triple bond. तो उसे कहेंगे alkyne. So यहाँ भी मिथाइन नहीं आएगा because मिथ means 1 carbon and आयन के लिए ट्रिपल बॉन्ड के लिए 2 कार्बन चाहिए आपको. So यहाँ भी okay. Now triple bond, carbon carbon triple bond. Now 1 2 3, one valence is left. 1 2 3, one valence is left. So we'll give H as we are studying hydrocarbons. So this is known as ethyne. Eth for 2 carbons, triple bond का क्या है? Ine, ethyne. Condensed formula इसकी ऐसी होगी जैसे कि हम लिख रहे हैं CH triple bond CH. Chemical formula C2H2, and it is known as ethyne. Same for propine. Just take 3 carbons, and you have to keep it in this way or this way. Both are same. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. यहाँ पे देखो ऑलरेडी 4 हो गई है, 3 और 3 4 और 1 2 3. So H H H H H H 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 H. So it is known as propine. CH triple bond C CH3, or we can write CH3 C triple bond CH. This इसकी फॉर्मूला होगी C3H4. C3H4. Both are same. Okay, so this is known as propine. Propine. Now in case of यहाँ पे second member का नाम है propine, but कार्बन तो 3 ही आएंगे. First member is ethyne because methane. Second member is ethyne. First member is ethyne. There is no methane. Second is propine. Then butane. Butane में possibility होगी 1 butane and 2 butane. So which we are going to learn in the numbering system. Like which one is 1 butane, which one is 2 butane. Okay. So this was what homologous series of alkane, alkene, and alkyne. Okay, now we are going to talk about general formula of alkane, alkene, and alkyne. So okay, let me just end up here.
and in next session we are going to study about the general formula of alkane, alkene, and alkyne.